song is playing, why can't we be friends? Someone screaming, crying, falling upstairs. Funny the way it is.
Dude, what's your name?
Hi, I'm April.
Hi, April.
That's Trey Moore.
Trey Moore? Hang on, Trey. All right, go ahead. What's your name?
Trey Moore.
All right, Trey Moore. Thank you, brother.
Okay, and we're together. We're our 401k.
401k, is that the name of you guys?
Our 401k.
Okay, cool.
The letter R, 401k.
Our 401k.
Like
Do you guys have any?
License plate.
Do you guys have anything online right now?
We only have a Facebook page.
You do?
Yep. Our
Because
401k.
I'm actually.
Well, I'm afraid of changing, 'cause I built my life around you. But time makes you bolder, even children get older. I'm getting older too. Oh, I'm getting older too. So take this love, take it down. Oh, if you climb a mountain and you turn around, and if you see my reflection in snow-covered hills where the landslide is breaking down, and if you see my reflection in the snow-covered hills, well, the landslide will bring you down. Oh, the landslide will bring it down.
Oh, by the way, you guys don't mind if I shoot you, right? Ask for permission. Ask for permission after, right?
Just tag me in it so I can see what it looks like.
It's only going on YouTube, so don't worry. And Facebook.
Once upon a midnight dreary, I woke with something in my head. I couldn't escape the memories and a phone call and what you said. Like a game show contestant with a parting gift, I could not believe my eyes. When I saw through the voice of a trusted friend who needs to humor me and tell me lies. Yeah, humor me and tell me lies. In all their lines, you said I don't mind, and as we seek, so shall we find. And when you're feeling open, I'll still be here, but not without a certain degree of fear of what will be. If you and me, I can still see things, hopefully, but you, why you wanna give me a run around? Is it a surefire way to speed things up when all it does is slow me down? Me and my confidence about a great many things. Oh, I've been there, I can see it cower like a nervous magician waiting in wings. The bad play where the heroes are right, and nobody thinks or expects too much. And Hollywood's calling for the movie rights, singing, baby, let's keep in touch. Hey, baby, let's keep in touch. But I want more than touch. I want you to reach me and show me all the things that no one else can see. So what you feel becomes mine as well, and soon if we're lucky we'll be unable to tell what's yours and mine. The finishing's fine, it doesn't have to rhyme, so don't you feed me a line. But you, understanding no matter what you drop, there ain't a whole lot that you can do. Or sure the banner may be torn if the winds got colder. Perhaps I'm a little cynical, but I know no matter what the waitress brings, I should drink it and always be full.